Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English conversation. Today's lesson is at the pharmacy. This is a real-life conversation that can help you speak English confidently when you need to buy medicine. If you enjoy learning English through daily conversations, don't forget to subscribe, and let's begin.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday evening.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a slight fever.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not.
Are you taking any medication right now?
No.
Okay. I recommend this stop medicine for your headache and fever.
How often should I take it?
Take one tablet every 6 hours after meals.
Should I drink plenty of water?
Yes, and get plenty of rest too.
Great job! Here are some useful expressions. I'm not feeling well. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. How often should I take it? Take one tablet after meals. Keep listening and repeating these sentences.
I also have a bad cough.
Is it a dry cough or a wet cough?
It's a dry cough.
Then this cough syrup will help.
How much should I take?
2 teaspoons 3 times a day.
Can children take it?
No, this one is only for adults.
I often feel tired.
You may need vitamins.
Which vitamins do you recommend?
These multivitamins are very popular.
How many should I take?
1 tablet daily after breakfast.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much is everything?
The total is $25.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you are.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Excellent! Now you know how to speak English at a pharmacy. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which real-life conversation you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!